Welcome back to another Disney Funko haul. My friend was recently shopping at a thrift store and she texts me, "We found these Funkos and we were wondering if you were possibly interested in them. They're only $2 a piece." And I said, "Yes, absolutely, I want that." Obviously, somebody was cleaning out their closet or they were punishing their child and they dropped all this stuff off here because these are in extremely good condition. This first one is titled Sorcerer Mickey Movie Moments. This is one of the 90th birthday celebration anniversary ones for Mickey Mouse. I have been looking everywhere for this on eBay, on Amazon, and various other collector sites to get a good price for it. I got it for $2. And there's the sticker right there, $2. The next one is a pop numbered 416. This is Ariel. It's titled Finding Your Voice. $2 right on the bottom right there. Again, in very good condition. I'm excited that I got this one. This last one, again $2, is Woody and RC. This one is in extremely good condition as well. You know me. And you know my collection back here. Aside from a couple other non-Mickey Mouse ones like Wally and Eve and Dumbo, usually it's just Mickey Mouse. However, these were such a good deal that I just couldn't pass them up. Now I have the Ariel Find Your Voice and Woody and RC to add to my collection. You may be asking, well, is there anything wrong with these? The only thing that I've really seen is that the faces are just a little bit dirty, and I've read online that you can just get some warm soapy water and just get that off. All right, on to my next Funko. I saw this one way back during Halloween. We had a Spirit Halloween pop-up store open up near our mall, and when I went in, I saw this one. I didn't buy it. There's a couple more from the series I didn't buy, but this one I think was my favorite because we started watching the movie a lot, and we got all of the Sanderson sisters back here. This is Billy Butcherson. Get a load of that. This is the Spirit Halloween exclusive. Now, where did I find this? Not at Spirit Halloween. Although, if you go online right now, you can see it. It's still for sale at spirithalloween.com. But it's a lot more expensive than what I paid. Prices are similar. However, I got free shipping through Amazon.com and it cost me $11.99 free shipping. If you go to Spirit Halloween, it's like $12 or $13 plus shipping. So I'm excited that I found this one because I had been saying that I was going to buy it and then I never did. Have you found good deals on Funkos? Whether it's at a thrift store or whether it's at a real store? I found my Cara Dune Funko right over here at FYE for $5 because they were doing clearance. I got these Funkos right here for $2 at the thrift store. And I found the Billy Butcherson Funko at Amazon. And you always have to take into consideration price plus shipping. Put in the comments below where you found your best deals. But until then, remember, no capes.